Welcome back, everybody. It's another week, another episode, and another video. I'm Joey. This is Niall. We're the Northern Baristas. Before we get into it, I just want to say a big thank you for last week. Lots of love for the video. Please keep it up. Really appreciate it. Niall, last week we bought them espresso, so they're all making delicious espresso at home. What's happening today?
It's going to be all about milk texturising, guys. So how much air we're going to get into the milk, and of course, to texturise, how to get that whirlpool. And Joey, I'm going to sit in the passenger seat today. I want you to take the guys through it, really.
Take the reins.
Take the reins, yeah. You taught me, and yeah, I absolutely loved it. So yeah, let's show them out. Show them out.
Sound. Right, as Niall says, guys, Josh, if you just want to come in for me, mate. First things first, we need to fill up our jug. Cheers, Niall. Just to the lip. I'd just go up slightly above it. As you can see, perfect. Then we're giving our wand a good purge. Don't want any of that water condensation in your milk. Standing over it in a nice comfortable position. And then as you can see, my wand is just off center to the right. Jug tilted back and to the right. I'm now ready to turn on. Wand is on. Wand is submerged. I'm now dropping it down to create that spitting noise, which puts air into the milk, and creates the froth or the foam, whatever you want to call it. Keep that there. When I'm happy with the amount of foam or the amount of air, I'm then submerging the wand to create that vortex. Very important. This now texturizes the milk, makes it shiny. When I'm happy with the temperature, guys, turning it off. Giving it a tap, giving it a wipe, giving it a purge. Niall?
Shine a light.
That is some shiny milk.
That is some shiny milk. Well done. So guys, just to recap, we're going to get the wand in the right position. That's just off centre to the right. We're going to tilt the jug back towards us and also to the right, lowering the jug to create that air into the milk, and then we're going to submerge the wand back into the milk to texturise the milk. Get that shiny, glossy, smooth milk created by the vortex, isn't it?
Yeah.
Once you're happy with the temperature, could be 60 degrees or whatever you're happy with drinking wise, and yeah, turn it off, and Bob's a good one, isn't it?
Bob's a good one. Perfectly summed up, Niall.
Yeah.
Guys, that is steaming milk in a nutshell. Done.
Perfect.
Niall, next week we've got the cherry on top.
Cherry on the top, which is the latte art.
The latte art.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed the video today. Remember to like and subscribe, and obviously share the hell out of it. Perfect. Tune in next week. Shine a light.
Shine.